Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we will set up our solar power security camera with our phone. You can install this camera on your any Android phone, any Apple phone, iPad, and any Android device. Okay, so we will start. Let's explain little. Okay, and this solar panel is 8 watt and it has 6 batteries inside the compartment, and before using this just charge it overnight for the first time, the batteries. Okay, and this panel also has 2 ports. One is charging port at this side, it is a micro USB, and there is on and off button. Okay, to stop the current to the camera. Okay, let's start. Here is the camera. What we have to do, and if we look at it bottom side, there is a small compartment. There are 2 things here. One is a reset button and one is a micro SD card. Okay, this camera supports maximum 128 gigabytes memory card, micro SD card. So it can record almost 2 weeks if you do the full video, 24 hours video recording, and otherwise it is basically designed for saving the events, and this card is enough for I think 3 to 6 months to copy the events. Okay, so we will start with the installing the micro SD card. Here you have to follow the steps how to put it there. The micro SD card, this side goes towards the back side of the camera, okay, as it is in the photo image on the camera. Okay, we will just put it there. Okay, we have put it, and we can reset this camera when we connect with the solar panel. Reset is only required if this camera has set up with any network before, any Wi-Fi, if you have any kind of settings. Otherwise you don't need it. Okay, before connecting this camera with the solar panel, we make sure our on and off button is on the off position. Okay, this is essential or important with all the electronics. Okay, so we will do, we will see there is inline connection, so it should be properly. You will see the arrow, it should be in front of the line. Disconnected. Okay, now in next step we will put this power button to on position.
The camera is now ready to begin pairing.
Okay, in case if you want to reset the camera, so you can do. And one important thing we will tell you, if you have previous videos or recordings in the memory card, this reset button will not reset or format any video on the memory card. It just reset the settings inside the camera. Okay, now we will reset it.
The camera is now ready to begin pairing.
We just have to press it few seconds until you hear the first sound. That's it. Leave it.
System reset.
It is reset.
The camera is now ready to begin pairing.
Okay, we will put this back. Okay, now in the second step we are doing it, we have to go to the phone, open our Play Store. The application for this camera is called U-Box. I will type it here so you understand better.
The camera is now ready to begin pairing.
I will do search. It is this one. Okay, we have already installed this application. I just open it. Okay, you can install. I will just press open. Okay, Put it, just this application we have login. If in case you have not created your login,
The
just
camera is now ready to
set up,
begin pairing.
go to setup and create user account. Okay, we have already the user account, so we go how to set up. Okay, now it is the time to add this camera. Okay, you have to go set up Wi-Fi device.
Power on your camera and check that the blue
Our
indicator
camera,
LED
here you
is
will see
blinking.
the blue indicator is blinking. Okay, so we will press yes.
The camera is now ready to begin pairing.
Enter the camera name and address.
Okay.
Using default name and address,
Here,
go to the next
this is
step
the device
directly.
name and this is the location where are you using it. Okay, so whatever you want to put, you can change it or you can change afterward. Okay, whatever you want, there it is more easier, you can do it. We keep it just the device and my home. Okay, we just go next.
Enter the Wi-Fi password. Please do not connect with the 5G.
The camera is now ready to begin pairing.
This camera works with both 2.4G gigahertz Wi-Fi and 5G Wi-Fi signals. Okay, so now it is the time we have to connect. Okay, this my Wi-Fi is 5 gigs 5G, so it is asking, it has detected 5G Wi-Fi band and you have to go 2.4. Okay, you don't need to switch, you just keep continue because we are
The
connecting with
camera is now
5G.
ready to begin
Okay,
pairing.
5G, yeah, and this is my Wi-Fi. You just select your Wi-Fi and this Wi-Fi should be connected on the phone, the same Wi-Fi. Okay, now this is connecting, we have the password and everything. Okay, we just say configure device and keep continue. Okay, it given the QR code, you just have to bring this QR code in front of the camera.
The camera is now ready to begin pairing.
We will see, it should be
Pairing
around
information received.
this distance, it is around 1 feet. Okay, it has received the information. It will give you the message camera installed successfully. Okay, now camera is ready, you just press this one and you will see the camera. Okay, the card is not formatted, do you want to format this now? Because I put the card, maybe format was different, so we press yes, so it will take few seconds to format it. If you buy a new card, it automatically take it. Okay, okay, also one thing, you put this off, so it will be on the infrared, this light, the bulb. Okay, put this so it will not consume more electricity. Okay, now we can see it on our bigger screen if you want it on bigger side here. Okay, in case you want to rotate it in any direction, I will say, see, you can rotate in any direction. I will rotate in this direction, wherever you want you can rotate. Okay, so your camera is ready to use. For other settings we will make another video, so that's from us now. Thank you so much, have a wonderful day.